Bro, I forgot. I gotta be real quick here, bro. For a couple of reasons. One reason is I just can't be long. And the second reason is I don't want to be long. But I forgot. I keep on noticing something. I keep on noticing something from you, Joy the Rat, Joy the Pigeon. Sorry about that. Joy the Pigeon, Joy the Loser, Joy Sneeze. Bro, you notice you keep on threatening me. You keep threatening me and threatening me. We did this to his mom, did that, did this, did that. Bro, you think I'm gonna sit by and let you just keep threatening me and threatening me and threatening me? That's a rabbit mind. Bro, you better calm down. Because me and you both know you can't fight. Me and you both know that, bro. You keep on threatening me. You will be the first dude on YouTube getting beat up just by getting slapped. You hear me, bro? I will slap the piss out of you. Bro, you're not a man. You're not a man. You're not a boy. You are nothing but a peasant, a maggot that absolutely nobody respects. Nobody would even dare to even be scared of anything you say or anything you lie about that you have done. You better calm down. Because you think because I did all this that I'm going to stop doing it? You got another thing coming. I am going to get you for everything you've done. Trust me, bro. I am coming for you. And I'm going to remember all these death threats you doing towards me. And me and you both know I haven't won a fight ever in your life. Ever. I bet you took a couple L's, though. Because you run your mouth too much. And you lie about everything. So just be very, very cautious on what you say from this point on. Because if you threaten me one more time, it is not going to be nice. It's not going to be good for you, bro. Not at all. Pay homage. You ain't gonna suck a dick. Loser.